Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another video. My name is Yray, and in today's video, I'm talking about the new C5 Super Boost Moisturizer that Paula's Choice just recently launched. So I'm going to be talking about the ingredients that this particular moisturizer has, how you should be incorporating it into your routine, and how I've been using it into my routine. If you're interested in learning about this particular product, maybe you're considering adding it into your routine, then keep on watching and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. So to get started, Paula's Choice recently launched this moisturizer. Now it contains vitamin C and hexapeptide. It contains 5% vitamin C and hexapeptide 5. Now, Paula's Choice also has a vitamin C serum, but that is their C15 that contains 15% vitamin C. But this particular moisturizer has 5% vitamin C. Now, in addition to brightening your skin, vitamin C has amazing properties. And I talked about that when I was sharing, products that you can incorporate into your skincare routine to help fade hyperpigmentation and dark marks. So vitamin C is one of those ingredients that if you use in your skincare routine will also help fade hyperpigmentation and dark marks and even out your skin tone. Now, in addition to that, it is a really great antioxidant. We always talk about wear sunscreen, but when you add vitamin C into your routine, what it also does for your skin is that it protects your skin from sun damage or even further damage from the sun, and also helps with collagen production. In addition to vitamin C, this product also has hexapeptides and polyglutamic acids. Now, these are great ingredients when you are trying to lock in moisture and keep your skin really hydrated throughout the whole day. Definitely something that I would encourage anybody that is looking to lock in moisture, improve their skin tone, to incorporate into their skincare routine. One of the things that I notice instantly with this product is that it's very lightweight. So when you do apply it, you do get to feel like how light it is and how well it absorbs into your skin. But in addition to that, the instant moisture that you get from this product is second to none. I love using this as a 3-step morning routine. So if I'm in a hurry and I have to be out the door, I still want to make sure that I get my skincare routine done. Then I would go with a cleanser, go with this as the second step, and finish off with an SPF. It is recommended that when you're using this, more especially during the day, that you apply sunscreen, and using a sunscreen with SPF 30 and higher is recommended. The sunscreen that I use is also from Paula's Choice, and I will link it down below. It's their Daily Youth Extending Fluid with SPF 50 in it. So definitely something that you guys could check out, and black girl friendly too. You can incorporate this into your morning routine or use this as the last step in your nighttime routine. It's going to help with dull skin, it's going to help firm your skin, it's going to lock in moisture into your skin, and it's also going to help even out your skin tone, and which is something that I'm looking forward to seeing the result. Now, this retails for $45 and this is USD. So I'm going to definitely leave a link for you guys to shop. That link will be like an affiliate link, so it's no additional cost to you guys, but it does help support my channel. I will definitely come back with like an updated review on how I've been using it and how I've been enjoying this product. But if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.